Welcome back. We have Gord Stewart joining us from the Big Little Science Center to round out our midday show today. Welcome back to the show.
It's good to be back.
Yeah, I was just saying to Gord, I like it when he comes on the show. He's super tall, and I don't have to take my shoes off, so I don't feel like the Jolly Green Giant, because you're taller than I am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's all the manure I walked in when I was a kid.
That must be it.
Yeah.
We're talking today about magnets. We have a little magnet experiment taking place.
Yeah, we were going to show a couple things. What I've got here is a chunk of copper, solid copper, and I've got a piece of wood. And if I drop it on the copper, you can see it bounces like you expect. But if you take a super strong magnet and do the same thing, you get a little different effect.
Ooh, let's do that again. We got to get the close-up. That was fun.
Yeah, we can even drop it. Oh, I'll drop it this way. So he's got a good close one. Okay.
Here we go.
Here we go. Drop it down like that.
That's weird. That's
Or
magical.
we can drop it that way and it does the same thing. So you can go ahead.
I might have to try this. Ready?
Yeah. Well, get a little higher and just a little lower and flat. Yeah. Yeah. Same
Very
idea.
cool.
It kind of
Very
does a little bit of a turn and goes down. But what it's doing is, as long as you move a magnet near a conductor of electricity like this, it'll actually create a reverse magnetic field in the conductor.
Okay.
So we're inducing a magnetic field in there. So it's part of what sort of a conversion. Electricity does the same sort of thing, and that's what this one is.
This is like a little makeshift rocket ship. We're going to light the sucker up.
And we've,
but not too serious.
yeah, we've kind of weighted it a little bit so it doesn't bash into the ceiling and things like that.
I think that's great.
Yeah, it's a good thing with all these lights up above us. You know,
Yeah.
yeah, we'll be safe.
Okay.
So with this one, it's actually wired to the wall, so we've got the full voltage going through the coil here, and a metal core, an iron core, and aluminum outside here. So they're going to each get induced magnetic field by the electricity traveling through here, and they're going to be opposite fields, so it's going to repel and push the rocket up.
Okay.
And it's on a spring-loaded switch because it's basically a dead short. So if we turn it on too long, we kick a breaker out somewhere.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay,
So
well,
we
let's
don't
not do that either.
Did you want to try launching it, or?
No, I think you will.
Okay.
If you want. Look,
Okay, so we'll just launch here just with a little switch and just, and up it goes.
That's awesome.
As you know, no violent reactions, explosions, or anything.
No,
Just nice
I
magnetic
like
field.
that.
It's nice and quiet. So it's a good way of launching things, except that the acceleration is so much you can't. If you wanted to launch a rocket or something with it, you couldn't have living items in there because there'd be too much G-force on them.
Oh, really?
So you could launch maybe satellites or things like that with it.
Okay.
But
Is
for
it ready
now,
to go again?
Yeah, if you want to just push it over, it's a fairly stiff
Will you
switch.
catch it?
I'll catch it.
Okay. That's fun.
Yeah, it is a lot of fun. Yeah.
So, one of the many
so,
things you can do at the
One of the many things to do, just the idea of the hands-on. Kids can come and actually try this thing out, have a close-up look. This one, with the strong magnet, we let some people try it. We don't want it too close. It's really good at erasing credit cards and things because of the amount of magnetism in there.
Sure.
And then it will jump onto other metal things and squish fingers between it. So it's
Really?
This one we bring out in special cases, but not for everybody. Yeah.
Good to know. We have about a minute left. We want to talk a little bit about science camps taking place.
Yeah, so July and August this year we have science camps. We have a couple of junior ones, one in early July on the starting on the 10th, and then the second junior camp is on the 14th of August. And then we're having a robotics camp on the 21st starting then, and then we have a field science camp, which is a new thing for us. It's about outside in the field, scientists collecting data and then doing stuff in the lab with them and plants and animals and that kind of thing. So it should be a lot of fun. And then we're having Arduino camp, which is programming little computer blocks to do certain things. So it's going to be, you're going to be able to put sensors on it and actually program. We have a professor from the university who teaches the computer science program up there coming down to help to work with this too.
Fantastic.
So it'll be really fun. That's for the older kids. It's a 12 and up one. So, just because of what's involved, and it's actually going to be really a fun way to build things. And our junior camps, of course, from 6 or just after who've finished kindergarten, they're okay to go in.
Yes.
So we've got that whole range from basically 6 up to however old they want to be. If they want to come program some Arduino, they can be 25 if they want.
That's right. They can be 45 maybe.
Yeah, and each one of these camps run for the full week.
Awesome. Okay, so some options for the kids when they're out of school. Appreciate you being here as always. Fun experiment today. Nobody got hurt. I always like those ones.
No flaming explosions.
That's right. Information on the screen if you would like to sign your kids up for a science experiment camp, or if you would just like to take them for the day, you can get more information.